Welcome to another video. My name is Rick, and in this video I'm not going to talk about freelancing much. It's me walking around the neighborhood. You see on the screen where I'll be walking to and back. It's a 5.3 kilometer walk. As you can see here, this is where I passed. So you'll see highlights of each section. As a freelancer, you have to walk around to exercise because you cannot always sit at home and do nothing. So this is me walking around and not doing nothing. Enjoy. I used to do this before creating freelancing videos. I just felt like let me try doing this again. It's fun to walk around and record the streets just to see how the area is on camera, and to show people who are interested in seeing how parts of Ghana is. So yeah. And also I made it short so that you can enjoy. So this is the next section. So yeah, I hope anyone who's watching this has taken the time to check out the freelancing videos. You know, I take my time to script everything, to write everything I'm about to talk about, to make it detailed enough. We are still on the stage 3 of freelancing. When we get to stage 4, I'll create a stage 4 video. And yeah, in case you don't know what the stages stand for, stage 1 is intro stage. That's when I learn about freelancing. That's when I'm interested about getting into freelancing. That's when you want to know more about freelancing, creating a profile, joining freelancing sites, signing up for payment platforms like Pioneer, PayPal, Wise, all those things. That's a stage 1. Stage 2 or level 2 is when you start sending proposals to clients, and when you win about 3 proposals, that's when you become a stage 3. And stage 3 is where my videos are currently based on. So, yeah. And you can be on stage 3 no matter what, but going to stage 4 is based on ambition. So stage 4 is if you want to expand on just being a freelancer. When you get multiple sources of income, that's when you're at stage 4. And stage 5 is when you start hiring people to be part of your team. So as soon as you hire somebody and someone's on a payroll working for you, then you're at stage 5. And stage 6 is when you set up businesses in your land. Like, could be a real estate business, could be an Uber business, whatever you call it. So that's it. So I consider myself as a stage 5. So yeah, this area is close to Spintex, which is one of the most popular places in Ghana. Once it's not the main road, it's not likely to be tarred, so you see lots of rough roads like these. Yeah, it's a decent area, very, very decent. So yeah, I used to do these walks a lot more and record, but I've been locked in on freelancing for so long that I haven't done this. So it's a nice switch up from the normal freelance videos. But the next freelance video will be out this week as well. It's going to be about consistency, episode 3 of the attribute series, to have to succeed as a freelancer. And please subscribe to this channel. It has grown so quickly. I'm very surprised because I do not advertise it. But if you're seeing this, just click the subscribe button, and I'm super grateful. So yeah, looks good. Everything here was shot on my Pixel 6. Every single thing here was shot on my Pixel 6. And what time was this? About 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. It was in the morning. refreshing. People have built homes, some nice trees. Yeah, if you don't live in Ghana, if you don't know what Ghana looks like, this is how certain parts in Ghana look like. You can see the glare on the camera. So I do this to relax my mind, to refresh my brain, and to occasionally think. Yep, this is the next section. I love how this house looks. Very, very attractive. And this is close to Coastal on Spintex Road. Some containers in my house. Yep. Yep, now we are on the main road from Coastal down to Railways. And I have to cross the railway line before getting to my house, but yeah, as you can see from my railway video, my house not too far from the railway. So once in a while I hear the train pass. I wish the train system was much more effective in this country, like how it is in Europe and America, but for some reason it isn't.